Today we will talk about the best legal blogs for attorneys. Regularly engaging with informative, thought-provoking legal blogs is one of the best ways to stay on top of industry news, emerging legal trends, innovations in technology, and more. As a lawyer, you have a lot of choice when it comes to law blogs. What you may not have is a lot of time to find the best ones. We are here to help. Below, you will find the best legal blogs to read in 2021, covering multiple practice areas and topics of interest. What is a legal blog? The best legal blog features informative, comprehensive articles written by experts in the legal industry. The best law blogs are also updated regularly with new content, and they take the time to make sure old articles are updated to stay relevant. While neither you nor your clients should rely on a blog to give you legal advice, legal blogs can provide general insight and guidance to both legal clients and legal professionals. The best legal blogs focusing on technology. Technology continues to revolutionize the legal industry. Legal tech solutions help law firms and solo attorneys optimize everything from case updates and client management to legal billing and payments. These advancements are possible thanks to cloud software and seamless app integrations designed precisely for legal professionals. But technology changes quickly, thus it's imperative to stay in the know about tech-related legal news. The following are the best legal blogs with a tech focus. The Clue blog. Clue's cloud-based legal practice management software helps legal professionals run their firms, organize cases, and collaborate with clients, all from one central location. The Clue blog is a trusted resource for the latest ideas on running a more efficient, profitable law firm. What makes it unique? Our legal blog offers innovative ideas and new solutions to age-old industries, and you will find great reads about disrupting the traditional way of doing business, including modern marketing best practices and how running a client-centered firm can benefit your teams and of course your clients. Lawsites. Lawsites describes itself as a legal blog focused on tracking technology and innovations for the legal profession, and it does precisely that. Content ranges from business resources for lawyers to reporting on important questions. Lawsites also hosts a weekly podcast, Law Next.